Hey, what's up? We're recording. Sorry guys. How you doing? Jamie G here again. Thank you very much for joining me in today's video. If you are new here, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. If that's of interest to yourself, feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. Today what I'm covering is landing pages. Now, you might be looking at your screen thinking, what the hell is this guy on about? That's a pretty silly looking landing page. It looks horrendous. I would never use that. And well, you're within your rights to think that as well. Now, on the inside, I'm going to explain why this particular crappy looking landing page converts at around 52%. I'll see you guys on the inside. Welcome back, guys. Jamie G back here again. Now, why is this particular landing page converting so high? It looks horrible. I agree. I couldn't agree more. Now, little thing here, I don't use this landing page for anything but one type of traffic source, which is solo ads. Now, if you're wondering what solo ads are, I'm glad you asked. I'm going to tell you right now really quickly. Solo ads are when you pay someone else to send clicks to your website from their email list. That's basically it in a nutshell. Now, the clicks can cost anywhere from 35 cents each right up to, I've seen some that are like $2.50 each, I think they were. Depends on the quality of the subscriber list, the quality of the relationship the vendor has with their subscribers, all that sort of stuff, yeah? So why would anyone do that, and why would anyone pay that sort of money just to send clicks to a website? There's got to be cheaper options out there. Yes, you're perfectly right, there is. But the reason being is that a lot of these people that are on these lists, they are seeking information, and if you as a marketer can help provide that information and basically connect the dots for them, then they're more receptible to submitting their details into a form. They're more likely to open your emails, and you're likely to build a relationship with them, hopefully a quality one eventually as well. Now, again, this is only for solo ads. I don't use it for Facebook, Google, anything like that. Just solo ads. That's why it converts really well. I think I sent something like 2,000 clicks to it earlier last year, and then I was like, well, I'll just create a new one for the next launch or whatever the case may be. So I don't really use it as much anymore. Having said that, I still use the crux and the template just because it did convert so well. I think out of that 2,000 clicks, I ended up getting just over 1,000 subs to it, something like that. So I was pretty happy with that. Like I say, for a crappy landing page with literally nothing on it, I'm pretty happy with the results, to be honest. So here's how I've got everything set up. And if you stay to the end of this video, you're welcome to grab a copy of this entire thing. That's going to include all the bonuses I've got as part of this as well. I've got a whole bunch of bonuses that I give away if someone does end up purchasing the end product, which I'm just going to go through it step by step real quick. Okay, the reason why it converts really well, that's what the whole purpose of this video. Learn how a single mother of two makes a minimum of $916 per week, posting just 2 times a day on a unique social network. Now, it's really captivating. I've just basically taken this from the sales page, but I mean, that's a really captivating opening line. Single mother, she's basically just, it reads doing just posting online on a weird sort of social network. You're like, oh, that's intriguing. Making $916 a week. I can post twice a day. I'm pretty sure I'll find the time to post twice a day. That sounds pretty cool. So it immediately pikes your interest. Now, the second part is that stupid, horrible orange button. It's just massive and chunky. And even if you kind of look away from it, it still like captures your attention. You can still sort of half see it out the corner of your eye. So it's glaringly obvious when you jump on this page that there's a big button in the middle. And all it says is, hells yeah, I want to see this. It's probably not the best call to action ever, but I think it's a lot better than click here to get your details or anything like that. It's just a really affirmative statement. It's like, hells yeah, I want to, yeah, that's interesting. I'm curious enough. I'll give up my email address to see what this is all about. Here's the cool part. If they do give up their email address, 2 things happen. They then come into my subscriber list. I can then build a relationship with that person, hopefully start connecting with them, start offering value. Hopefully they then think that I'm a bit of all right, and then eventually I can start sending them certain offers and things that are going to help them out with their make money online or whatever they're after. I can help build, first of all, build that rapport, and then I can start marketing to them, helping them with these things. And if they buy, obviously I get affiliate commission, so it's a win-win. Okay, so if I just go, I might just try that one, see if that works. Now, all I've done, I haven't done anything overly fancy here. Normally speaking, what I do is once they click submit, I put up a separate page just with me giving a little video just going, hey guys, I'm Jamie, click below if you're interested, yay. What I've done in this case is basically automatically redirects them to the sales page. That way they get that information that I was promising straight away. So let's have a look. How's you want this information? Click the button. Now that's going to then redirect them to the sales page. And if you happen to find yourself on the sales page, I actually did use this product. I bought it first of all. I went through it. I did use it, and I can assure you I made a lot more than the actual initial investment on it. Yeah, I was actually really surprised. And the only reason why I don't do that anymore is purely because I'm focusing on things like YouTube instead. So it was more of a time thing. But yeah, if you're interested, it's actually kind of cool. So, and legitimately, she does make well over 9. In fact, it's probably more than that now, bucks per week. So anyway, kind of cool. Anyway, once this loads, for some reason, when I'm recording like this, it just does not like the fact that I'm recording. Often the pages I'm trying to load seemingly doubly slower. Can get kind of frustrating, but here we go. All right, so yeah, and as you can see, I just basically stole that off the thing. So now the other thing that we've got, and this is really important in marketing, is we've got congruence. So we've got basically the opening message of what they see versus what they see on the landing page. It's congruent. It matches up. It's not like click here to, or submit your email to get the latest dog training tips, and then all of a sudden it's this. I'll be like, oh, what's this? Not what I wanted. Yeah, so I'm going to allow that. And this is it. So yeah, there you go. Blah, 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 blah. And if you want to buy it, it's 20 bucks. Like I say, it does work, does take a bit of effort. It's not the be all or end all. You're not going to make 916 bucks straight away. I must admit, unfortunately, if only the world was like that. But, you know, if you work at it, build it up over time, you will be making some pretty solid cash in the not too distant future. So that's that. If you're interested, also I do have a stack of bonuses that I give away. They're available on the thank you page once you go through the process of actually purchasing that as well. Now, I did say I was going to give you a little gift, and if you've watched to this point, you're in luck, because basically I'm going to give you this entire funnel that I've got here and show you how I send traffic to it and monetize it. And basically this entire thing, for me anyway, is held on builderall. Now, if you're unfamiliar with builderall, it is a suite of marketing tools that can quite honestly be used as a replacement for pretty much all of your digital marketing stuff that you've got out there at the moment. So it's a website builder, a blog builder, e-commerce, a funnel builder. You can make your own apps, and I mean via phone, also on like desktop, Chrome apps, things like that. What else can you do? You can create mobile apps. I think I covered that. You can host your own webinars. You can create your own funky little videos through like cartoon videos. You can edit your own videos, all that sort of stuff. It's got an entire autoresponder sequence thing as part of it as well. What else? I feel like there's way more than that. Blogs, builder. Oh, also they've got niche funnels as well. So a niche funnel would be, for example, if you are a plumber or a chiropractor or a dentist, or think of any of those types of business, beauty salon. They've actually got a completely already done for you, basically funnel sitting there, and all you need to do is just log in, change a couple of your details to your own business name, and start sending traffic, which they give you templates of the ads to use as well. So that's how you can build up your own leads. It's super cool. And you can obviously sell those to small businesses as well. It's pretty much endless. But the thing that I love about it is it has what I consider probably the best affiliate program in the industry. And it's two-tiered. What does two-tiered mean, Jamie? Great, I'm glad you asked. Basically what it means is that if you get someone to sign up, it's $49 per month. It is a software. They do keep improving it. They offer training. It's not the cheapest, but it's one of the cheapest options out there for all the stuff that you get. Like I say, you're probably going to be able to cancel a lot of the other things you do have out there. Now, the reason why that's super cool is because you get 100% of the commission. So you get $49 for the first month, which is super cool. Now, because it's recurring, you get 30% per month that person stays as part of builderall. Starting to sound kind of cool, I hope, by now. Now, here's where it gets really cool. Okay, so if you sign up one person, and then that person signs up one person, you get 30% of that person, and then 30% of that person as well. So that's why it's two-tiered, meaning that basically you do the work once, you get passive income from the person that you signed up. They also sell the idea of builderall and using these suite of tools and businesses and all that sort of stuff, and that person you get 30% off that person as well, which is why I love it. So my gift to you is that little landing page. Now I'm going to give that to you, and all you need to do is basically click, add it to your own builderall account, edit it how you want, and start sending traffic to it, which I can show you with one of my other videos as well. So if that's of interest, I'm going to leave that below. I'm going to do a follow-up video about how you add that to your account. I'm going to leave that below as well, once I've edited this, of course. I haven't done it yet. And that's it. That's all I wanted to do. My name's Jamie. I want to say a massive thanks for watching this video with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.